Hey everyone, strap in. Today we're diving headfirst into the wacky world of cryptocurrency, specifically, a little something called Shiba Inu. Now if you're thinking, wait, isn't that a dog breed? You're absolutely right. But it's also a digital currency because of course it is. This is the world we live in now. Shiba Inu, the coin, burst onto the scene riding the coattails of its older, more established cousin Dogecoin. You remember Dogecoin, right? The one with a meme-tastic Shiba Inu dog as its mascot? Yeah, that one. Shiba Inu, often dubbed the Dogecoin killer, aggressive much, aimed to capitalize on that same meme-driven hype, and for a hot minute, it actually worked. People went bananas for it. They bought it, they sold it, they made memes about it. It was a whole thing. And like most things driven by fleeting internet trends, it was hard to tell if it was a stroke of genius or a recipe for financial disaster. Spoiler alert, it was a bit of both. So why are we even talking about a cryptocurrency based on a dog meme? Good question. The short answer is, the internet is a strange and wonderful place. The slightly longer answer involves understanding the power of community, memes, and the allure of getting rich quickly. Dogecoin, the OG dog-themed cryptocurrency, proved that sometimes all you need is a goofy picture and a passionate online community to send a digital token skyrocketing, temporarily of course. Shiba Inu saw that success and thought, hey, we can get in on that action too. And get in on it they did. Shiba Inu, launched in August 2020, quickly amassed a loyal following of its own, affectionately dubbed the Shiba Army. This dedicated group of investors and enthusiasts took to social media, spreading the word and pumping up the price. It was a classic case of the blind leading the blind, but with more rocket emojis and people calling each other diamond hands. Was it sustainable? Debatable? Was it entertaining? Absolutely. Fast forward to today, July 27, 2024. Where does Shiba Inu stand? Well, it's still around, which is more than can be said for some crypto projects that emerged during that time, but its glory days of meteoric price surges and constant Twitter buzz, those seem to be a thing of the past. As of today, Shiba Inu is trading at insert current price of Shiba Inu, according to data from Binance, one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. That's insert percentage change from its all-time high of insert all-time high price, back in insert date of all-time high. Ouch, look, I'm no financial advisor, but that chart doesn't exactly scream buy, buy, buy. But hey, this is crypto, where volatility is the name of the game and what goes down can sometimes, but not always, go back up. So, let's say you're one of those people who looks at a price chart that resembles a downhill ski slope and thinks, now's my chance. First of all, I admire your optimism. Second, if you're dead set on buying Shiba Inu, you'll need to figure out where to get your hands on it. The good news is, Shiba Inu is listed on a bunch of different cryptocurrency exchanges. Binance, the big dog, pun intended, of the crypto exchange world, offers Shiba Inu trading pairs. You can also find it on other popular platforms like Coinbase, Kraken, and KuCoin. Now, a word of caution. Not all exchanges are created equal. Some have higher fees than others, some have better security, and some are just plain shady. Do your research, compare platforms, and choose an exchange that you feel comfortable using and that meets your specific needs. Let's address the elephant in the room, or in this case, the rapidly depreciating dog in the digital kennel. Shiba Inu's price history has been, shall we say, eventful. It's experienced those exhilarating, heart-stopping pumps that get crypto enthusiasts all hot and bothered, but it's also had its fair share of crashes that would make a roller coaster enthusiast think twice. Remember that whole Dogecoin killer thing? Yeah, that didn't quite pan out. While Shiba Inu did manage to briefly surpass Dogecoin in market cap, the total value of all coins in circulation, that victory was short-lived. The truth is, Shiba Inu, like many meme coins, relies heavily on hype, speculation, and the whims of its online community. When the hype dies down and the community moves on to the next shiny object or dog breed, the price tends to follow suit. Ask 5 experts, get 6 answers. Now for the million-dollar question, or, given Shiba Inu's current price, maybe more like the $1,000 question, what's it actually worth? Well, that's where things get a bit murky. Cryptocurrency valuations, even for established players like Bitcoin and Ethereum, are notoriously difficult to pin down. When it comes to meme coins like Shiba Inu, it's practically impossible. There are no real-world assets backing it, no intrinsic value to speak of. Some analysts argue that Shiba Inu's value is entirely dependent on sentiment and community engagement. Others point to its growing ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and even a metaverse project, as signs of potential long-term growth. The truth is, nobody really knows, and anyone who claims to have it all figured out is probably trying to sell you something. Probably not, but... So after all that, you're probably wondering if you should invest in Shiba Inu, and as much as I'd love to give you a definitive yes or no, I can't, because surprise, I'm not a financial advisor. Shocking, I know. But what I can do is offer some friendly, unsolicited advice. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Seriously, this should be tattooed on the forehead of everyone even thinking about dabbling in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is incredibly volatile. Like really, really volatile. It's like trying to ride a bull that's hopped up on caffeine and sugar while navigating a financial earthquake. It's wild, it's unpredictable, and it can leave you feeling extremely exhilarated or utterly crushed, sometimes both in the same day. Section 8. Don't bet the farm crypto for the risk-averse. Yes, they exist. Now, if you're the type of person who breaks into a cold sweat just thinking about the stock market, crypto might not be your cup of tea. And that's perfectly okay. Not everyone is cut out for the high-stakes, high-reward world of digital assets. But here's the thing. You can still dip your toes into the crypto waters without going full-on. I'm selling all my possessions and buying Bitcoin mode. Start small, really small. Like an amount that wouldn't even make a dent in your weekly coffee budget small. Think of it as an experiment, a learning opportunity. Buy a tiny bit of Shiba Inu or any other cryptocurrency that piques your interest. Track its performance and see how it makes you feel. The key here is to approach it with a level head and realistic expectations. Don't expect to get rich quick. Don't listen to random people on Twitter promising you the moon. Just educate yourself, start small and see where the crypto wave takes you. Section 9. Staying ahead of the pack, Shiba Inu news and resources. Alright, so you've decided to ignore my previous advice and dive headfirst into the Shiba Inu frenzy. Hey, I'm not here to judge, but before you do, arm yourself with knowledge. The crypto world is full of misinformation, scams, and people who will happily take your money while promising you the moon. Again with the moon promises. Luckily, there are plenty of reputable resources out there to help you navigate the wild west of Shiba Inu and the broader cryptocurrency market. Websites like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and The Block offer comprehensive coverage of all things crypto, including Shiba Inu news, price analysis, and industry insights. You can also follow credible crypto journalists and analysts on Twitter to stay up to date on the latest developments. Section 10. The future of Shiba Inu crystal ball or toilet bowl. Ah, the future. Always shrouded in mystery, especially when it comes to the unpredictable world of cryptocurrency. So what does the future hold for Shiba Inu? Will it rise from the ashes of its meme coin origins and become a major player in the digital economy? Or will it fade into obscurity, another cautionary tale of the dangers of hype-driven speculation? Honestly, your guess is as good as mine. Maybe even better since you've presumably done some actual research on this whole Shiba Inu thing. Some believe that Shiba Inu's growing community and expanding ecosystem could propel it to new heights. Others remain skeptical, arguing that its lack of real-world utility and reliance on meme-driven hype will ultimately lead to its downfall. The only thing we know for sure is this: the future of Shiba Inu, like the future of cryptocurrency itself, is uncertain, and that uncertainty is part of what makes this whole space so exciting and terrifying to follow. Section 11. In conclusion, crypto is weird, man. So, there you have it. A whirlwind tour of the weird and wonderful world of Shiba Inu. We've covered its meme-tastic origins, its roller coaster price history, and its uncertain future. We've talked about the importance of research, risk management, and not investing more than you can afford to lose. Please, for the love of all that is holy, listen to this part. At the end of the day, whether or not you choose to invest in Shiba Inu or any other cryptocurrency is a personal decision. Just remember to go in with your eyes wide open, your expectations in check, and a healthy dose of skepticism. Because if there's one thing we've learned from the wild ride of Shiba Inu, it's this: cryptocurrency is weird, man, but hey, that's part of what makes it so damn entertaining.